got all the Juno sounds on here. Juno strings. Meow brass. Then you also have Poly 6 sounds. Apparently that's the first patch on the Poly 6. Damn, that's nice, huh? Some real crazy shit. And the next page you have all the JXP sounds, JX3P. I don't know what it's called. And then after that, you go back to your factory presets. Only issue with it, only two issues other than cosmetic damage, is this screen is supposed to be a lot brighter. It's on max brightness. You need to replace the screen. And I don't know if you can hear it, but along with the fan noise, which you can turn off, but I think it's probably recommended you don't. There's also this high-pitched whining. I think it's like a coil or something that needs to be replaced. I have no idea. Well, there's no one near me who can repair keyboards, and that's above my pay grade. So, good luck.